Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again, and in this video we'll talk about how we can access a website from a different location. When I said different location, it means you are sitting in a different country altogether. For that, we need a website that has a global presence, and I'll open a learning website which is Udemy. This is I'm using for a reference. This is not a sponsored video, and normally the sites are using currency converters of different kind and they're selling in specific country currency. Then only you require these kind of plugin or extensions. So to do this, all we need is a website. We already have this open, and let's see how it is. So it is showing $17.99. So this is the price in USD. Now we have to check in any other country that is not using USD. For example, we'll check in India where the currency is INR or Indian rupee. For that we need an extension, a Google Chrome extension, and the browser that you need is Chrome itself. To start the process, you need a Google extension which is available in the Chrome. So open the Google Chrome extension panel. You can simply search Google for that, Google extensions, and the very first link that you'll get is chrome.google.com. And once you click on it, you will see the URL chrome.google.com/webstore category extension. This is what you have to open, and go to the search box right here and type in Hola. Hola is a VPN extension, which will change your location, and the website will open from that particular country. So click on it. I already have this extension installed in my PC, so it is not showing the install button right here. Instead, it is showing remove from Chrome. I don't have to remove it. I just have to activate this extension, which is not right now. So all I need to do is click here, manage extensions. All the extensions that I have in my PC will be available right here using this URL. Find Hola, here it is, and activate it from this link. If you want to see details, you can definitely from here. So we have the extension activated, and now we'll go to the extension section, or simply pin this extension so it is available all the time whenever we are accessing it. From here, I will change my location from United States of America. Okay, this is the pop-up for buying, and as of now we are not interested in buying this specific extension, so simply close it. And now it will show all the countries. Just type in India. Okay, the page will take some time to refresh. Now the extension has done the job, and it is time to see how this specific extension has impacted our website. You just scroll a bit down, and we'll see the prices are available in Indian rupee instead of USD before. So this is how you can change any other country, or you can check your website from any other location. This extension is very useful for website developers in case you are based in a different country and your client is in different countries, and you really want to test the website, how the website will look like in his particular location. Then you can simply use this extension, which I just mentioned, Hola VPN extension. You can install it in your PC and see the changes as we see, and we can also turn back in case we're done with this. We can simply deactivate the extension whenever we don't want it. For that, simply go to this extensions tab and manage extensions, and click on this deactivation button. This is a toggle button between activation and deactivation, so simply deactivate it and you're done. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and do subscribe to our channel because we continue to post videos about these kind of extensions and some other technical stuff like WordPress tutorials and Photoshop tutorials. We have like lot in the store coming in. So click on the subscribe button and wait for the next video so that you can gain some more knowledge. Thank you very much.